On the modern battlefield, the skies offer no sanctuary, and the footage emerging from the front lines is a testament to that sobering reality. Russian FPV drone operators are reportedly continuing to conduct repeated operations involving Ukrainian infantry units advancing through open terrain. Surveillance footage documents successive engagements as ground forces navigate exposed positions along the front line, with units reportedly operating under intense pressure in close-quarters combat conditions. What these recordings make undeniably clear is that no movement goes undetected, and on this battlefield, every step taken in the open carries consequences that unfold in real time. Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operations in Sumy are reportedly documented showing drones flying over residential buildings and city streets in search of Ukrainian military positions within the urban area. During the operation, Russian drone operators tracked Ukrainian military vehicles moving through various districts of Sumy before conducting successive operations in close proximity to them. A Humvee transporting Ukrainian infantry reportedly sustained significant damage during the incidents, while an evacuation minibus and a Toyota Hilux pickup were also reportedly affected during the operation. The footage highlights the growing range and precision of Russian fiber-optic FPV drones, which are now reportedly capable of operating deeper within urban areas and continuing to track movement along streets and residential zones. Reports also indicate that the operational zone of the Russian Northern Forces grouping in the Sumy region continues to expand as drone activity in the area intensifies. Civilians have also been urged to avoid areas where military personnel or equipment may be present during active operations. Evading or seeking cover from drone surveillance is reportedly becoming increasingly difficult. According to reports, Russian fiber-optic control drones are significantly reducing the effectiveness of electronic warfare systems designed to suppress drone signals. Russian operators are reportedly detecting opposing force movements and initiating operations within the identified area. Footage from a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone reportedly documents an operation targeting a major electrical facility at the Sumy North substation in the Sumy region. According to reports, the drone navigated around nearby construction equipment and proceeded directly toward the main auto transformer concealed within a protective structure before conducting the operation. Moments later, footage from the scene reportedly showed compromised electrical equipment following the incident, underlining the increasing use of FPV drones against critical infrastructure during the ongoing conflict. Operators from the Russian Rubicon drone unit reportedly continued conducting operations involving Ukrainian infantry during a period of heightened combat activity. Footage shows Ukrainian servicemen moving through open terrain while Russian drones monitored their movements and tracked them from above, one after another. Some servicemen reportedly attempted to seek cover behind tree lines, while others attempted to withdraw from the area using vehicles. However, drone operators continued to track their movements and conduct operations in close proximity to their positions. In the theater of modern warfare, the line between stillness and sudden action has never been thinner, and what this footage captures is precisely that razor's edge. A Russian FPV drone operator, positioned in standby mode, was rapidly mobilized upon detecting the approach of opposing infantry units traveling in a Max Pro armored vehicle. The drone was swiftly deployed and conducted an intercept operation against the advancing formation, engaging the armored vehicle in a direct operational strike. What this footage underscores is the extraordinary reaction capability of modern drone units, able to transition from dormant positioning to full operational engagement in a matter of seconds, reshaping the tempo of frontline combat entirely. Shocking frontline footage shows FPV drones operating with fiber-optic control that cannot be easily disrupted by electronic warfare systems. The footage highlights how modern drone warfare has reduced the effectiveness of traditional jamming methods, making movement and concealment increasingly difficult on the battlefield. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone is neutralized by Ukrainian soldiers operating from a Humvee. Operational footage confirms artillery units from the Dnieper grouping conducting a strike operation in the Zaporizhzhia region. According to the report, a Ukrainian shelter position was targeted using a 2A-65 MSTB during ongoing combat activity. The footage shows artillery crews preparing and firing the system before impacts are observed near the reported position. Operational footage confirms a rare British-made military vehicle was reportedly destroyed during combat activity in the Sumy region. The footage shows the damaged vehicle after engagement, though the exact model is not clearly identifiable from the available material. Breaking battlefield report shows precision drone operations in the Donetsk region targeting Ukrainian military equipment. Operators from the Vega unit are shown employing Zala Lancet systems during a series of coordinated strikes. Reconnaissance identifies vehicle positions and equipment concealed across active sectors, after which Lancet crews guide the loitering munitions onto selected targets. The footage highlights the continued use of precision loitering systems to engage equipment beyond immediate frontline contact zones. As the conflict continues to reshape the territorial landscape of Eastern Europe, developments on the ground carry consequences that extend far beyond the front line itself. According to reports, Russian armed forces have assumed control of the settlement of Verkhnaya Tursa in the Zaporizhzhia region, marking a significant operational development in that sector of the front. The reported change in territorial control reflects the ongoing intensity of ground operations across the Zaporizhzhia front, where both sides have been engaged in sustained efforts to consolidate and advance their respective positions. Each settlement that changes hands in this conflict represents not merely a shift on a military map, but a profound transformation in the lives of those who once called it home, and a marker of how far this war has yet to run. Military sources report intense close-range fighting in the Vovchansk region as frontline troops attempt to regroup after prolonged combat activity. GoPro footage reportedly captures Ukrainian servicemen moving toward a damaged building intended to serve as a temporary staging point amid the engagement. At the same time, Russian FPV drone operators monitor movement around the ruined structures from above, tracking activity through the destroyed urban terrain. Military sources report counter-battery operations in the Dobropilsk direction targeting Ukrainian artillery positions. Drone surveillance footage shows a Ukrainian M101 howitzer identified in a firing area during active operations. After the position is located, counter-battery fire is directed toward the site, with the footage showing the artillery emplacement being struck during the engagement.